Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about borrowing money. You know those times when you're staring at your bank account like, yo, where'd all my cash go? And then this random expense pops up and slaps you in the face. Yeah, we've all been there. And one of the names that keeps popping up in the financial world is Chime. So, the burning question is, how much money can you actually borrow from Chime? Is it enough to cover that surprise car repair, or is it just going to scratch the surface of your financial woes? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about Chime itself. It's one of those fintech companies that's trying to shake up the traditional banking game. They offer checking accounts, savings accounts, and a few other financial services. And, of course, there's this whole lending thing. Now, Chime doesn't offer traditional loans like you might get from a bank. Instead, they have a couple of options. SpotMe, this is like a small overdraft protection. It allows you to overdraw your account by a certain amount. The cool thing is, there's no overdraft fee. But, there's a catch: the limit starts low and gradually increases based on your account activity. So, don't expect to borrow thousands with SpotMe. Instant Payday, this is a feature that lets you access a portion of your paycheck early. It's not technically a loan, but it can help you cover unexpected expenses before payday. However, the amount you can access depends on your direct deposit amount and other factors. So, to answer the question directly, how much can you borrow from Chime? It depends. For SpotMe, you might start with a few dollars and gradually build up to a couple hundred. With Instant Payday, it could be a fraction of your paycheck. It's important to remember that these options aren't meant to be long-term solutions to financial problems. They're more like band-aids for small emergencies. If you're facing a major financial challenge, you might want to explore other options like personal loans or credit cards. But, hey, SpotMe and Instant Payday can be lifesavers in a pinch. Just make sure you're using them responsibly and have a plan to pay it back. One thing to keep in mind is that Chime is constantly updating its features and offerings. So, what I'm telling you today might change in the future. Always do your own research and check the Chime website for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.